Hey guys, welcome back. This is Saif with another tutorial from Tech4All. In this tutorial, I will show you guys how to use and how to download the new file manager which we will be using instead of the default Windows File Explorer. Let's start. First of all, open a browser. Now search for Files version 2. Click on the first search result. Here you can see that this is the new file manager which we will be using instead of the default Windows File Explorer. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can find the download link from the GitHub and from Microsoft Store. Or simply just open Microsoft Store and search for the file File Manager for Windows. In the search result, click on this application. The icon is like this. And click on the Install button. Wait until the application is downloaded. Click on the Open button to open the file manager. As you can see guys, that the GUI or graphic interface is very nice and it matches the Windows 11 File Explorer. The best part of this application is that you can open multiple file explorers in the same window. All you need to do is just simply click on this plus button and a new file explorer will be open to you and you will be automatically redirected to my computer. Let's go to the settings and see what we can do there. Click on the settings button. In the appearance tab, you can choose the appearance, whether it should be light or dark. You can also choose from the themes that which kind of theme would you like. Simply click on the theme and the theme will be applied. I will go with the default one. Click on the sidebar and from there you can choose that whether it should show the favorites section and also whether it should pin the recycle bin to the favorites, should it show the library section, and many more options you have there. Simply toggle them on and play with them. Let's navigate to the Performance tab. Under the Preference tab, you can change the language. The default language will be the Windows default language. From the date format, you can change whether it should be the application format or the system format. And from the terminal applications, you can choose that whether the default should be CMD or Windows PowerShell. Click on the Files and Folders. From there, you have options to turn on and off. The first option is that whether it should show a confirmation dialog while deleting files and folders or not. The second option is to open folders in a new tab. The third option is to show hidden files and folders. I will turn this option on for myself. And you have many more options to turn them on and off. In the Startup settings, you have three options: whether it should open a new tab, whether it should continue where you left off, or it should open a specific set of pages and tabs. Let's navigate to the multitasking window. From there, you can turn on and off the vertical tab layout on the title bar. You can also enable dual pan view, and also you can turn on that whether it should open new tabs in the dual pan mode or not. Let's navigate to the Experimental tab. Under the Experimental tab, you have three options. The first one is whether you want the file tags to be enabled or not. I want file tags, and also I want the folder size to be displayed for me. If you want the file manager to be the default file explorer, all you need to do is turn on this setting. If you are asked for confirmation, click on the Yes button. Under the About tab, you can see the file version, the privacy policy, and third-party licenses. Let's close the setting. And now let's open a new tab. Here you can see, guys, that while I open a new tab, I have two windows. From one, I can navigate to 𝒖ve_C, and from the second one, I can navigate to Windows. As you can see, guys, that it's currently calculating the file and folder sizes. And that's all for today, guys. If you like this video, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. I will catch you very soon with another tutorial. Till then, have a nice time.